Thank God you... I've had the worst day ever. I've been followed here on my mother's bike, right? And my car's right there, and it's been following me here. So get out of the car.
No, stop. Oh, God. Okay, all right. I'm sorry. Okay, look. Please. Okay, what do you want from me? Okay. Oh, God. No! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, God! Oh, it's a bad dream.
Are you username LadiesMan217?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Are you username LadiesMan217?
Yeah?
Where is the eBay item 21153? Where are the bosses?
Get back!
What is your problem, Sam?
Okay, there's a monster right there. It just attacked me. Here he comes. All right, get up front. You have to run.
Sam, what is that thing?
You have to get in the car. Get in the car. Trust me. Trust me.
Sam!
Get in.